Hey, what's up guys? I hope you guys are doing fine, and today's video is not an After Effects tutorial, it's an audio tutorial on Adobe Audition, and this is a beginner's tutorial. And today's video I will teach you guys how to reverb and slow your audio for vibe edits and stuff. So I have example here which I did. So this is under the influence. Anyways, so this is what I'll be teaching you guys today. So first of all, let's just open Audition. Alright. I'll just let it low for now. There. Okay, so alright, I'll just set my audio device just now. And yeah. Alright, just set it to my headset. Okay. So let's get started. For today's example, with this song. This is what was it? Blackbeard's this one. It's a Tyro remix already, so I'll just reverb and slow it and do a few things to show you guys exactly what I mean. So you have as it's a beginner tutorial, I will show you guys everything about Adobe Audition. So if it's the first time you're trying on Adobe Audition, you can still do it. So this is on this tab. You basically, so there will be two tabs. One is default, one is edit. So you can stay on any one. So this one is kind of complicated for me, but you guys can stay on whatever tab you like. So I'll just do it here. So as this is a default workspace for you guys. So this is known as the file tab. This is where you import all of your files and stuff. So now you drag this into the editor. This is a mixer and this is an editor. Over here you mix songs and stuff. We'll not cover that today. So you drag this onto the editor. So now you have the entire audio. See, this is known as properties. Over here you can see the info, display time, everything, and this is known as effect tracks. So over here you can apply loads of effects. If you think you can apply only 16 effects, that's not it. Every time you can apply 16 effects at once, and then you need to press apply, and then you add more effects. So first of all, just make sure to power stay on, and then you click on this arrow to do things. We'll start with the pitch. So it's a pitch shifter. So this is what I do usually to make it go slow, and this one to 5. So you guys can take a screenshot of it or just keep it in mind. And there, it's already activated. Cause I'm so fucking scared. I'm only for you. Alright. Now let's add a few more things, such as over here I'll add amplify. Over here, this is just usually 2 dB by 2 dB. Alright, and this is the difference. If you want to see the difference between this and with this and without this, just turn it on. See the difference? So anyways, now what you have to do is go to delay and echo and add echo. And over here you have loads of things. So for this I'll just add stereo vocals. See, now over here I'll add a flanger. How you do that is quite simple. You go right here to modulation and you have flanger, and then 101 for now, and this to the setting. This is the setting. If you want to use it, you can. And using this button, you can save your setting as preset, like in After Effects and other editing apps. So once you do it, we can add a few more things, such as we can try adding filter EQ or F50 filter. So the thing is, you have to play around with the effects to make however you want. Seems nice to me. Let's see, can we do any other effect here? So here we have reverb option. I'll just do a reverb, normal reverb. Alright. Okay, reverb is done. Now on my 7th effect, I'll just try some extractor, amplify vocals. This one. Maybe too good for me. Alright, maybe not this. I'll just try something else. So this is what I usually do. I just play around with all the effects until it's to my satisfaction. So yeah, that's how I figure out what to use and what not to use. So anyways, these are ready for now. And now what you do is just press apply on this button. And just give it a little time. And by the way, make sure if you're working on a song, this changes the original song. So what you have to do, duplicate that song. So Control C, and I'll just paste it somewhere else to save. What you have to do is, once all the effect is done, what you have to do is go to File. Now go to Export, and then into Export, what you want to make sure is File. Select it to File, and then just select the place you want to save it at here, and the format, just always keep it to MP3 audio. Okay, and this to the default. Now press OK. Just overwrite it, no. So maybe I'll just change the name to 112. Yes, just press yes. Alright, this is done for now. Now let's go here and just show you the audio, which has saved right now. There you go, this one. And yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and that's all for today. If you have any question on Adobe Audition, feel free to ask me on my Instagram, or you can just comment me down below. So yeah, hope you guys learned something new, and that's all for today. Take care, goodbye. Never know you